In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just getting started with your website, incorporating a blog can significantly enhance your site's value, helping you connect with your audience and drive more traffic. We'll walk through each step carefully and ensure you have a functional and stylish blog on your site by the time we're done. First off, you'll want to make sure you have installed both WordPress and the Elementor plugin. If they aren't installed yet, I highly recommend getting those set up first as they are essential for what we're about to do. Also, it's always a good idea to back up your site before making any major changes, to avoid losing any data. Now, with WordPress and Elementor ready to go, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Head over to the Pages section and click Add New. Go ahead and name this new page blog. This is where your new blog will reside. Once you've got your page named, click on the Edit with Elementor button to enter the Elementor editor. Within the Elementor editor, you'll want to add a new section by clicking on the plus symbol. This allows us to select a suitable structure for our blog. You may want a single or double column layout depending on how you prefer your blog to appear. For now, let's choose a single column to keep things simple and clean. With your new section in place, locate the blog widget in Elementor. You can do this by searching in the widget panel. Simply drag and drop this widget into your selected section. Instantly, you should see that your most recent posts populate here, giving you a quick preview of what your visitors will see. At this point, it's important to customize the settings of your blog widget. You can do this by selecting the widget and navigating the various settings options that appear. Here, you'll find options for adjusting the number of posts shown per page, tailoring the layout to suit your style, and more. Take your time to experiment and see what looks best for your site. Styling is key, so don't rush through it. Use the design settings to match the blog's appearance to your overall site theme. You can change fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Remember, consistency across your site fosters a professional look and improves user experience. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make your blog page live. Click the Publish button in Elementor to finalize your changes. Then, return to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Settings section, and select Reading. Here, choose your newly created blog page as the Posts page to ensure it displays your content correctly. And there you have it. Your blog is now part of your Elementor website. I'm glad you could follow along, and I hope this tutorial makes the process much more manageable and enjoyable for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your website's potential.